Hey everyone, today I wanted to show you how I overlay metrics with my videos. The software we're going to be using is Garmin Virb to do this. This is probably not my favorite software by any means, and if anyone has any other software they'd like to recommend, please let me know. So the first thing you want to do is import the footage that you're wanting to use to overlay metrics on top of. So we're going to grab that footage right now. And then once that footage has been imported, then we're going to go to create video. And I'm just going to name this metrics. And now we're going to drag that footage onto our timeline. And if we notice, sometimes the footage might be upside down if you have your camera flipped while it's on your bicycle. And for some reason, Garmin Virb doesn't know to flip this back around, but that's okay. We can just go up to editing. And then we're going to rotate that clip 180 degrees. Once that clip has been rotated, now we're going to go and click on this little button down here at the top of the footage, and this is going to bring up a place for us to be able to import our GPS data. And then I have my cycling computer connected, but you can also gather this GPX data from applications like Strava if you just use your phone to record that in. And then you want to go to the day that you actually did the recording on for the footage and find that same day in your bike computer. So now that I've found that, I'm going to say use this log. And now that the footage is there, what I do next is I just remove the little gauges that they've just kind of generically put in for me. And I'm going to go up to gauges. I'm going to select the data type. It's going to be recorded speed. And then I just like to use the really simple one, but as you can see there's tons of different options for you to use. And then I'm just going to put that in where I want, and then I'm going to go to appearance, transform, and then we're going to enlarge that. Perfect. And then now the next thing we need to do is we need to actually be able to sync this, because this is not always going to actually show and start right where your footage is starting, unless you're starting your footage and your bike computer at the same time, and that's where you're actually going to show the metrics. That's really going to be the only time that that's going to be completely accurate right off the bat. So we're going to go to G-Metric Sync, and this is going to pull up another frame. It's going to show the footage upside down in this preview. I have not found a way to not get it to do that, but anyway, this is what it's going to look like for you. And now all I need to do is just find the street that this is started on, and then I just need to drag this slider over, and then you can also drag it this way as well. So we're just going to drag it here. And then that should be good to go. Just going to drag that a little bit farther forward, and then we're going to hit done. Okay. And then we're going to see how that turns out.